These types of animation and sticky character videos are going viral on the internet, especially on YouTube and TikTok. This faceless YouTube channel, Rico Animation, has gained over 11 million subscribers and has uploaded around 579 videos as of the time I'm creating this tutorial. They are uploading similar videos to what I am going to teach today. These videos are getting millions of views, with some reaching 129 million, 125 million, 117 million, and 106 million views each. So, it is safe to say they are making thousands of dollars either through the YouTube Partner Program or the TikTok Creativity Program. Now, let's see their earnings per month and year. According to Social Blade, their monthly income ranges from $55,000 to $890,000, with a yearly income of up to $10 million. Wow, I am sure many of you have seen these videos at least once through either TikTok or YouTube. Since there are only a few creators in this niche, there is hardly any competition. That's why these videos are getting millions of views. These videos are popular because once people start watching them, it's hard to stop. So, if you can make similar videos, you can definitely go viral and start making money. They are creating different animations with sophisticated paid animation software, which isn't feasible for most beginners. So in this video, I am going to show and teach you how to make similar and easy animation videos using only free AI tools and user-friendly editing software in just minutes, like the example here, to create a similar animation video.
Hey Jamie, did you see the show last night? It was a thriller.
A pillow? Why would I watch a pillow?
No, a thriller. You know, a suspenseful show.
Oh, a spiller? Was it about a messy chef?
No, thriller, like suspense and mystery.
Ah, I get it. A chiller, with lots of ice?
Close enough, Jamie. Let's just say it had me on the edge of my seat.
Wait, you watched it while eating beets?
Follow these simple and easy 4 steps. First step, go to a free website called Adobe Express. The link is provided in the video description. Click on the AI tab and then select Animate from Audio, and you will be on the right page. This tool is completely free and has no limitations for creating content, allowing you to make as many videos as you want. Here, you have numerous pre-made characters you can use for your videos. Pick any character that suits your video. Let's say we choose this sticky character first, and you can easily adjust its size and position. You can also select a background by clicking on the Background tab, where you'll find many cartoon-style pre-made backgrounds for different scenes. Select the one that suits your video by trying different backgrounds. Let's select this simple background for this video. Next, change the aspect ratio by clicking on the Size tab. You'll see different aspect ratios for various social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Let's choose the YouTube aspect ratio of 9:16 for a YouTube Shorts video. Here we have completed all the settings. Step 2. Create the script and voiceover. If you look at any sticky animation, you'll notice they convey messages in a funny way. So, I recommend spending some time writing the script because these videos go viral due to their humorous scripts and engage viewers to watch the full video. For script writing, you can use ChatGPT, but you need to provide a proper prompt to get the intended script. Make sure to write the prompt describing exactly what you want for your video. For instance, write a prompt like this. Create a short script for a funny conversation between 2 people. One person continuously misinterprets the other's words, leading to humorous misunderstandings. The tone of the script should be lighthearted and playful, with the other person eventually either giving up or playing along with the confusion. I need a script for a 60-second YouTube short video. Now, you'll see the results, and the script will be ready. Read the script carefully, and if it is not according to your expectations, click to regenerate the response for a different script. Once your script is ready, you need to record it. If you have a good voice, you can record it using your mobile phone. In this tutorial, I will use an AI tool called 11 Labs to record the script. This AI tool is not completely free, but you can use up to 10,000 credits for text-to-speech voiceover, which is enough to get started. Once you sign in with your Google account, click on Text-to-Speech. First, you'll need to select a voiceover character. Check different voiceover characters and choose one according to your script.
A single rose can be my garden, a single friend my world.
You can even select a character from the library, and I recommend choosing one with a conversational tone.
I'm so excited to finally tell you everything about this amazing experience.
After After selecting the voiceover character, copy the script from ChatGPT part by part and paste it into 11 Labs to generate the voiceover for each scene.
I'm so excited to finally
Generate and download all the voiceovers for the conversation with different characters.
Hey Jamie, did you hear about Tom's new pet project?
And save them in proper order to maintain the sequence. I recommend generating the voiceover scene by scene instead of using the entire script at once. Now, we have all the voices for the script. Step 3. Use the voiceover to generate the animation with synchronized lip movements. Head back to Adobe Express Animation and click Browse to import the first voiceover. Adobe Express will automatically animate your character with lip sync. The process might take some time depending on the length of the audio clip. Once done, you'll have the animated character ready.
Hey Jamie, did you see the show last night? It was a thriller.
Click Download to save it to your directory. Go back, choose the other character for the second person, adjust it as needed. Place the audio with the second voiceover.
A pillow? Why would I watch a pillow?
Download the results of the second animated character and save it. Repeat this process for all scenes, generating animations using voiceovers individually. Now, we have all the animated characters aligned with our script. Step 4. Combine all the animated characters to generate the short video. I will use CapCut for this task because it is free, user-friendly, and compatible with all devices. Import all the animated scenes to CapCut. Drag each animated character scene by scene into the CapCut timeline. Once all scenes are arranged, you can add transitions between them by clicking on the Transition tab and setting the duration. Apply transitions across all the scenes for smooth flow.
Hey Jamie, did you see the show last night? It was a thriller.
A pillow? Why would I watch a pillow?
No, a thriller. You know, a suspenseful show.
With your animated video compiled, it's time to make it more engaging by adding subtitles. Using CapCut, you can do this easily in a few steps. Click on the Text tab and hit Auto Caption. Click Create, and within seconds, your subtitles will be ready.
Hey Jamie,
If the subtitles aren't clear due to color, change the text color and font style to suit your video. Adjust the font size and position along the video. Choose a font style from the drop-down menu. Play the video to ensure everything is in place.
Hey Jamie, did you see the show last night? It was a thriller.
A pillow? Why would I watch a pillow?
No, a thriller. You know, a suspenseful show.
Oh,
Now, to enhance the viewing experience, add background music for a pleasant sound effect.
Hey Jamie, did you see the show?
I have music from the YouTube library for this, but make sure to reduce the background music volume by setting it to around -20. Play the video again to check.
Hey Jamie, did you see the show last night? It was a thriller.
A pillow? Why would I watch a pillow?
No, a thriller. You know, a suspenseful show.
Now it looks perfect and our video is ready. To export, click on Export and save the video to your device. Here is our final video.
Hey Jamie, did you see the show last night? It was a thriller.
A pillow? Why would I watch a pillow?
No, a thriller. You know, a suspenseful show.
Oh, a spiller? Was it about a messy chef?
No, thriller, like suspense and mystery.
Ah, I get it. A chiller with lots of ice?
Close enough, Jamie. Let's just say it had me on the edge of my seat.
Wait, you watched it while eating beets?
No, never mind. What did you do yesterday?
Well, I went to the new art gallery.
Art celery? Is that a new vegetable exhibit?
You got it, Alex. It was all about the history of leafy greens.
Sounds crunchy.
Definitely the crunchiest exhibit in town.
All right, since your celery exhibit was a hit, maybe next time you can join my pillow party.
Wouldn't miss it for the world, especially if beets are involved.
I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.